Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi A5. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and wait. Following that, to use this app, you need to set it up on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Then allow all in the second one, and whatever you want to in the notifications one. In this window about new updates, you can also choose whatever you want to, so hit OK right away or tap on Not Now and then choose OK. Either way, to continue, tap on your device's displays. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few though, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Tap on got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide located on Redmi. Then close an ad and allow camera access. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. To input this key, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And hit Receive button. Then wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!